Milk residue and bacteria can build up on a baby's tongue after feeding, which may cause bad odor or oral discomfort if not cleaned properly. The good news is that cleaning a baby's tongue is simple and can easily become part of the baby's daily hygiene routine. Choose a time when your baby is calm and relaxed, such as after feeding or during a diaper change. Hold your baby securely in your arms or place them comfortably on any surface. To clean baby's tongue, you will need a soft clean cloth or cotton gauze. Dip the cloth or gauze in warm water and squeeze out any extra water so it stays soft and slightly damp. Never use hot water because a baby's mouth is very sensitive. Gently open your baby's mouth using one finger. Wrap the damp cloth or gauze around your index finger and slowly wipe the tongue using soft circular motions. Start from the back area of the tongue and move carefully toward the front. Do not press too hard because a baby's tongue and gums are very delicate. The goal is simply to remove milk residue and keep the mouth clean. While cleaning the tongue, you can also gently wipe the baby's gums, inner cheeks, and roof of the mouth. Milk often collects in these areas as well. Cleaning the entire mouth helps reduce bacteria buildup and keeps the mouth fresh. Always use gentle movements to avoid causing discomfort or irritation. Speaking softly or smiling can help comfort your baby during the process. Over time, most babies become more comfortable with mouth cleaning. You can use a baby tongue cleaner to clean your baby's tongue and mouth safely and gently. It is made with soft materials that are suitable for a baby's delicate gums, tongue, and inner cheeks. The cleaner is easy to hold and allows parents to clean the baby's mouth with gentle movements. Using a baby oral cleaner regularly may also help reduce bacteria buildup and keep the baby's mouth fresh and comfortable. Baby dry wipes are a gentle and safe option to clean a baby's tongue and mouth after feeding. These soft wipes help remove milk residue that can collect after feeding. They are easy to wrap around your finger, making the cleaning process simple and comfortable for parents. The Finger Toothbrush Tongue Oral Cleaner Kit is a great option for babies 3 months and older to gently clean their tongue, gums, and first teeth. It helps remove milk residue safely and supports good oral hygiene from an early age. It is soft, safe, and easy for parents to use during daily baby care. By following these simple steps and using effective products, you can keep your baby's mouth clean, healthy, and comfortable from the very beginning.